using 2 dumbbells. We're actually going to be doing a jogging motion, but we're going to do a rolling arm action. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about this. I think it's a very cool exercise for a couple of reasons. So we're going to be jogging, always knees up as high as you can, the tempo that you're moving at, so up on your toes, your heels are not going down to the bottom floor. And I'm going to roll the arms down and up, down and up, down and up. So I'm creating like a circular pattern to the front. And then I'm also going to roll the arms the other way. So up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now, what's so cool about it? It's what I'm doing with my shoulders. So one of the things that instructors always refer to is how do I get my participants to bring their shoulders down? Let's talk about how you can find a way to lift and lower the shoulders, because elevation, depression, and natural movement patterns, it's just when we hold up in elevation that we end up with neck issues and shoulder-related problems, postural issues. So that we want to go up and we want to go down. So if I'm pushing the dumbbell down and I'm encouraging my participants to drop the shoulder down as it lifts up, I'm going to get that sort of motion, that rolling of the shoulder action. How cool is that? I'm literally doing this, but getting a cardio workout at the same time. Woo! Also encourage your participants to go all the way out, so they don't end up doing this, which then defeats the whole purpose of what you want them to do. So they've got to stretch your arms out. I always cue them about the shoulders. I go, get the shoulders to go up and down, up and down, up and down. So you're getting that motion with your shoulders. So if we go down and up, we've got to go over and under, right? And this does the same thing, but it's a little harder. So I usually like to go under and over first to talk about the shoulders, and then talk about going over and under afterwards, because there is a tendency to hold the shoulders up. But once you've already taught them how to do that with the under and over, it's much easier to communicate that, because they've got some motion happening already with the over and under. There is sometimes a method to the madness, and that's my method to the madness. So, great exercise for cardio. I'm actually not having to hang onto the dumbbells very hard with this exercise. Yeah, my fingers are pretty much released the entire time. Just if you have clients that get the issues with arthritis and in their fingers issue, they don't really have to hang on. So it's important that you communicate that with them. So I'm basically, that's my position almost the entire time, with my thumb hooked underneath. Stretch the arms all the way out. And that's this week's Aqua. Demonstrating the jogging motion with the rolling arms is actually not that difficult to do on land. So you want to get a high knee jog and then push the dumbbell down and up. And the way I would demonstrate it is I would teach this and then say, now try and drive the dumbbell down, but make sure you're lifting your shoulders up and pushing your shoulders down. So push away, push away, push away. Sometimes I'll talk about getting the shoulders to roll back as well, if I've got enough time to communicate that. Then the same thing goes in reverse. Okay, high knee jog, over and under, get the dumbbell in the water. I want you to lift the shoulder and then drop the shoulder down. Lift the shoulder and drop the shoulder down. Similar to what we just did before. So get the shoulders moving up and down with every repetition. So that's pretty much all you have to say. It's a fairly easy exercise to demonstrate. The only thing that you need to do is make sure they're moving their shoulders and moving their shoulders independently, and understand the importance of getting that mobility. And that's this week's Aqua.